considering a career as a real estate agent? You're on the right track, my friend. Join the ranks of over 1.5 million individuals who've already taken the plunge and become proud members of the National Association of Realtors as of October 2023. Now, let's talk about the journey. In just about 4 to 6 months, depending on your location, you can transform yourself into a full-fledged real estate agent. The path to obtaining your license involves a few key steps, all well within your grasp. First, you'll need to complete the essential real estate prelicensing course. After that, it's time to tackle the licensing exam and, once victorious, activate your license. The final piece of the puzzle involves finding your home within a brokerage. Here's an interesting tidbit. Only those real estate agents who proudly bear the title of Realtor are part of this exclusive club. To earn the coveted designation, you'll need to adhere to the National Association of Realtors' stringent code of ethics. It's all part of the journey to becoming a respected professional in the world of real estate. Why become a real estate agent? Working as a real estate agent promises an abundance of variety. Every day brings fresh challenges, from interacting with diverse clients to exploring a multitude of homes. No 2 days are the same, and that's part of what makes this profession so enticing. As a real estate agent, you're the captain of your ship, relishing the independence that comes with it. Plus, there's immense gratification in shepherding buyers and sellers through one of life's significant milestones. Curious about the financial side of things? In 2023, data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics revealed that the median pay for real estate agents hovers around a respectable $48,340 annually. Now, if you're eyeing the path of a real estate broker, who typically boasts additional education, testing, and experience, the average income climbs to a promising $62,010. The crests of success are even higher for the top 10% of agents, who rake in more than an impressive $102,170. Now, here's the exciting part. Breaking into this field is a breeze. Unlike many other professions that necessitate a lengthy college degree, often with comparable earning potential, securing your real estate license is a speedy and cost-effective endeavor. So, why wait? Dive into this rewarding journey today. 6 steps to become a real estate agent. Interested in embarking on a journey to become a real estate agent? Buckle up. It's going to be an exhilarating ride, one that requires both an investment of your time and finances. The extent of these investments may fluctuate based on your location and the path you choose to obtain your license. While the precise prerequisites may vary from state to state, let's delve into the overarching steps to becoming a certified real estate agent. Research your state's requirements. Now, let's address a crucial aspect of your real estate journey: licensing. It's important to note that there isn't a universal national real estate license. Instead, you'll need to align with your specific state's unique licensing prerequisites. Unveiling these requirements is a matter of research, and you can easily access your state's real estate regulatory guidelines. Simply visit the Association of Real Estate License Law Officials Regulatory Agency Directory, which serves as your gateway to this wealth of information. Each state has its own set of stipulations that cover a range of aspects, including age, educational prerequisites, prelicensing coursework and post-licensing obligations, examinations and eligibility criteria, application procedures and associated fees, background checks and the fingerprinting process, continuing education requirements, strategies for advancing to higher levels of licensing, disclosure of any criminal history. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Some states have entered into reciprocal licensing agreements with others. This means that once you secure your license in one state, you might be able to extend its reach to another without the need for an additional licensing examination. Take New York, for instance, which boasts reciprocity agreements with 9 other states, including Arkansas, Colorado, Connecticut, Georgia, Massachusetts, Mississippi, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. It's like a passport to expand your real estate horizons. Take a prelicensing course. Now, regardless of your location, a crucial step on this journey involves enrolling in a pre-licensing course, which comes with an estimated cost of approximately $350. These courses are typically offered by accredited real estate licensing schools and are a vital prerequisite before you can take the real estate license examination. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Course requirements aren't universal and vary from state to state. Let's take a closer look at some examples. In the sunny state of California, aspiring agents must complete 3 comprehensive real estate courses, encompassing a total of 135 hours of study. Journeying to New York and Georgia, you'll find that the coursework shrinks to a slightly more compact 75 hours. Meanwhile, in the Sunshine State itself, Florida, you'll be delighted to know that the course is a concise 63 hours. And the best part, most states offer a range of learning options to cater to your preferences. You can take these courses online, opt for in-person instruction at specialized real estate schools, or even explore classes at local community colleges. Flexibility is the name of the game as you embark on this educational adventure. Take the licensing exam. Now, when you're knee-deep in your pre-licensing course, your instructor will be your guiding light through the process of scheduling, registering, and handling the financial aspect of the all-important licensing exam. Speaking of which, let's delve into what to expect on exam day. The exam typically carries an average cost ranging from $100 to $300. It's a computerized assessment split into two distinct parts. National portion. This segment covers the fundamental principles and practices of real estate on a broader scale. State-specific section. Here, you'll dive deep into the intricacies of your state's real estate laws. Picture this: multiple choice questions are your battleground, and the exact number of questions and time allocated for each exam can vary depending on your state. Here's the twist: each section is graded separately, and to clinch victory, you need a passing grade on both fronts. Don't fret if you find yourself falling short. You'll have the opportunity to regroup and tackle the exam again. Just bear in mind that each state dances to its tune when it comes to retaking policies, how many times you can reattempt the exam, the mandatory waiting period between tries, and the ultimate deadline for completing any retakes. So, there's a journey ahead, but every step brings you closer to your goal of becoming a certified real estate agent. Activate your real estate agent license. Once you've conquered the licensing exam, the next step is submitting your application, along with any essential documents and fees, typically ranging from $200 to $400 to your state's real estate regulatory body. Here's where it gets exciting. Once your application earns the stamp of approval, the state will dispatch your official real estate license certificate straight to your doorstep. Additionally, your name will join the ranks of licensed professionals proudly displayed in the licensees section of the state's website. One crucial note of caution: while you're undoubtedly eager to dive into the world of real estate, you'll need to hold off until your state's real estate authority formally issues your license. It's a bit like waiting for the green light before embarking on your new career journey. Consider becoming a realtor. Let's clarify something important. While many folks use the terms real estate agent and realtor interchangeably, they aren't quite the same. Yes, both are armed with the essential licenses to guide buyers and sellers through the intricate real estate journey. But there's a distinctive factor that sets realtors apart. Realtors proudly wear the badge of the National Association of Realtors and wholeheartedly embrace its rigorous code of ethics. Now, here's a fascinating tidbit. The National Association of Realtors stands as the heavyweight champion among trade associations in the United States, representing a colossal 1.5 million members. These members encompass a vast spectrum, including salespeople, brokers, property managers, appraisers, counselors, and other dynamic players in the residential and commercial real estate arenas. So, what's the deal with becoming a realtor? While it's entirely optional, it's a choice that can elevate your stature as a real estate agent. For an investment of roughly $185, you'll unlock a treasure trove of perks, such as essential business tools, access to real estate market data, in-depth research, and enlightening statistics, a wealth of educational opportunities, discount programs tailored to boost your business success. But wait, there's more. Realtors gain exclusive access to the Realtors Property Resource, a colossal online real estate database that's nothing short of a goldmine. It's painstakingly crafted from public records and assessment data and boasts a wealth of information, spanning zoning details, permits, mortgage and lien intel, school insights, and an extensive treasure chest of foreclosure data. Becoming a realtor isn't just a title. It's a passport to an array of resources and tools that can fuel your journey as a real estate professional. Join a real estate brokerage. Now, as a real estate agent, your journey unfolds under the vigilant watch of a supervising broker, someone who wields the state's license and ensures that your real estate dealings remain firmly grounded in legal and ethical terrain. Here's a crucial nugget of insight. Don't expect a traditional hourly wage in this profession. Instead, your earnings are intricately tied to a percentage of the commissions reaped from the real estate transactions you undertake. Here's where it gets interesting. Your arrangement with the brokerage can come with additional financial considerations. These might encompass desk fees, tech charges, business cards, marketing essentials, and assorted expenses inherent in running your real estate operation. Brace yourself. There are both one-time and ongoing financial commitments. These include annual license renewals, ongoing education, lockbox expenses, and securing your membership with the multiple listing service. The cost of hitching your wagon to a brokerage typically ranges from $25 to $500 per month. It's a dynamic realm where your financial landscape can vary. But remember, it's all part of the journey to success in the real estate domain. Obtaining the coveted real estate license is a journey that requires both an investment of time and finances. But the rewards are undoubtedly worth it. It's the key to unlocking an enriching career in the real estate industry, one that offers a tantalizing blend of flexibility and financial potential, while some choose to tread the path of a part-time real estate agent. For many, it becomes a full-fledged business endeavor. Being at the beck and call of clients is all part of the package, and this includes not just weekdays but weekends too. Now, here's a tantalizing thought to spice up your real estate adventure. Think about the plethora of real estate designations and certifications that await. These aren't just any accolades, they're specialized credentials, tailored to areas like mortgages, appraisals, residential properties, commercial real estate, and property management. Earning these distinctions isn't just about collecting titles. It's about supercharging your career, boosting your marketability, and, of course, padding your earning potential. So, as you navigate this exciting terrain, remember that your journey is paved with opportunities to grow, diversify, and achieve success as a real estate professional. As we conclude this insightful journey, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the world of real estate. Whether you're starting on the path to becoming a real estate agent or seeking to enhance your existing career, these steps are your roadmap to success. But wait, there's more. If you're hungry for further wisdom on how to thrive and make money as a real estate agent, we've got you covered. Simply click on the video displayed on your screen. And let's dive even deeper into the exciting realm of real estate opportunities. Happy learning and happy selling.